And now for something completely different.
I'm not doing a gardening video or a cooking video or a preserving type video. I got a different sort of present, and because quite a few people who watch my channel, thank you guys, also have channels of their own, I thought this might be of interest to them. So if you're after another gardening video or stuff that I normally do, off you go. You can go and pick one of the other ones. But if you want to know what I've got in here, hang about. I've been doing all my filming on an iPhone 12, I think it is, and it's pretty good. The phone's getting old and the battery is not lasting terribly long. The lens is a little bit nyeh. So I thought I'd lash out, spoil myself. And I bought this. This is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's got really good write-ups. So let's see what's in here. Now, all my creator friends out there, you're probably having the same sort of issues. I wouldn't recommend this one to anyone unless they were particularly keen on creating videos. It's not cheap. I really like doing these videos. I don't care if I make money from it because I doubt that I ever will, but I'm enjoying the whole process. As I said before, I'm basically a teacher. I was a professor of electrical engineering, and I enjoy educational stuff. So making my videos is sort of just a fun way of making use of the experience that I have. And going and spending over $1,000 on a camera is extravagant, hard to justify, but I don't care. I wanted it, so I got it. And the lovely Lady Curmudgeon let me get it. She was very kind about that. So what do? We peel a little sticker off here, and we open up our box. We have a silica gel thing. We have a plastic bag, which is going to have all of our goodies in it. I will point out also, I didn't just buy the camera on its own. I bought what they call the creator combo. So it's got a few extra bits and pieces in it. So I put it down. We've got some instruction books, a quick start guide, a wonderful sticker, and some safety guidelines, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to rely on other people's videos to work out how to use this properly. So, one other thing. QR code, because it has a mobile phone app, which I've already downloaded to help with the use of this. So, put that over there. Go in there. What have we got in this? In this box, we have a plastic bag with what simply looks like our cover for it. So it comes with a protective cover. There it is there. Another little slip of paper. Tells us how to put the camera in here. Nice and soft. There's 2 places in here for any lenses that you buy for it, and it's meant to protect it and keep it nice and safe. Now, let's get into the main one. Nicely packaged there. DJI tag, we'll take that off. Doesn't say anything important, does it? No, just a carry bag. So it comes with this nice little carry bag, which we shall now open up. Looks reasonably sturdy, nice material. And it's very much like the ones they use for the DJI. Why am I having trouble with DJI? The ones they use for the DJI microphones, which I've had a couple of those at work. And there he is. There's our little Pocket 3. Very weighty, nice heft to it. Got a missing joystick button there, must be in the bag here somewhere. Protective cover on the screen. There's our gimbal and camera. What else have we got in here? The combo kit comes with one of the DJI microphones, which we'll pair shortly. we've got the, I think this is the battery pack, or is it the handle? That's the battery pack, I think. Yes, that is our battery pack, and it's got a little tag on there we've got to take off. And a nice soft felt backing on it. So that I assume will go into there. We'll do that shortly. This one's a little hard to get out. It's a small, I don't know what this is. Another small attachment for the bottom. It's light. Maybe it's just a handle, because that's a battery. That might just be a handle. And here we have what should be our little tripod. Yep, one tripod. That's nice little soft feel plastic. Not bad at all. Now, we have USB cable. Looks like a wind shield for the microphone. Yep. Little hand strap. Nothing else in there. There we go. This is what I think is... No, that's a lens. We'll do that in a sec. There it is. That's what I was worried about. A little joystick cover has come off. So we shall put that back on. Square, so I've got to make sure we get it the right way around. There it is. And there's our joystick cover on, and we've turned the screen on. So we're going to put an SD card in this later on. But there he is, and our gimbal's working. We'll have a closer look at that in a second. In here, we have the wide angle lens it comes with. And you can get other filters and things for it, but I'm not so much into the camera person stuff, more just enjoy making the videos. And that should be able to just magnetically pop in there. Yeah, wide angle lens. Go that way. Oh yes, so it goes lens slide out that way. That's a little magnetic thing, it doesn't fall out. We'll turn this off now. It's off. Oh, nice back on. How do we turn you off? Oh, you can just turn the screen around, I think, from memory. And off it goes. Yep. The gimbal's locked. And we very carefully put it in here. I saw a warning that if you don't put this in correctly... Which way does it go? Oh, there it is. Maybe? Or that way. Maybe we do have to look at the manual. That way. There we go. So there he is in his protective cover. And now we need to charge it up. Take it back out again. Oh, that's looking there rather well. So we'll turn it on. And there we go. Watch the gimbal. Okay, I've got it set so that we can go up and down. Some settings you can set it so that it's... Just get that. So that it's not locked like that, and it will keep a level horizon pointing out that way. Lots of things to play around with on this, but we're not going to do that because we're not that sort of channel. Fellow creators, garden people, what do you reckon? Would you spend $1,000 on this? It's pricey. We'll have to see. I'm going to do some videos later on making mushrooms, and I'm going to be using this. Let me know what you think. All right, I've set up the auto tracking, and we'll check how that goes. Get seasick. That's pretty good. No curmudgeon camera person. And they're following me. See how quickly it brings things into focus? Pretty good. We've got a zoom. I can zoom from my phone. only a couple of times, but I'm sure there's a better way of doing that. If I get up and walk over here, hey, it's following me. So far, so good. I'm going to have to have a bit of a play with this. Lots of other settings we can do. But in the meantime, I'm going to get back to doing proper videos on the things I know about. I don't know about cameras. That's why this is probably going to be a good little series. If you like the idea of seeing some of the tools that I use to make my videos, let me know in the comments. I don't want to create another channel for it because I won't do enough of them. But if you're interested, let me know, and I'll do a couple more. And I'll hide them off in a separate playlist so that you don't have to go through them if you don't want to. This is the acting curmudgeon camera person signing off. Bye.